Hello guys, I'm back with another ceiling fan video, and I'm going to be doing a spring startup with my Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan and my Hampton Bay Middleton. I accidentally said this one's a Landmark, but it's Middleton. That one's the Landmark. So, unfortunately this one doesn't have a light, so I'm just going to go right to high. I'm going to go on high with this one, turn the light off. Whole chains are swinging in that one. And this one, I can feel a breeze. A huge breeze. And then on this one, I'm going to turn the light on. And we have this one, Landmark. And now I'm going to power these down. Turn this one down. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my spring start video with my Hampton Bay Middleton and my Landmark. So yeah, see you later. Bye guys.